Okay, I rewired everything. This is actually working now, but I installed a LED fan there, one at the front, but I'm waiting for the extension thing to come. And I did forget to put the standoffs for the motherboard, so I had to take the motherboard out and put it all back in. So it's all back in. So this is pretty much my new case. But I bet you're saying, what's the point in putting a new case in alright components, because I want to see if this case works for when my new PC goes in here. But yeah, it all works, so that's pretty much the video. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed like a time-lapse video of me just pretty much moving from that case over there that was in the corner to this one. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. But if you, when I do build my new PC, make sure to leave a like and a comment if you guys want me to film that, or maybe live stream me building the PC, and then pretty much yeah. But I might stream it on Twitch or YouTube, but what do you guys prefer? Just leave it down in the comments. So please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. See ya.